Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download your Google Sheets as a PDF file. Let's get right into it. So firstly, once you've opened up your Google Sheet file, you're going to want to click on File, then go to Download, then go to PDF. Then you'll be presented with an export page. So if you like what you see already, you can click on Export. But there are many settings you can do to change how this is viewed. Firstly, for the scale. You can fit to width, you can fit to height, then you're going to get more rows and columns on other pages. You can fit to page, or you can do normal 100%. You can also change the margins if you want to. Also, if your Google spreadsheet has multiple sheets, you can click on the Export drop-down menu here, and click on Workbook. And this is going to include columns and rows from other sheets in your Google spreadsheet. And then for the selection, you can click on which sheets you want to include and exclude when you're exporting to a PDF. And once you're happy with how it's looking, you can then click on the Export button. Doing so will download the PDF file, and you can either click on it up here to open it up, or you can show in File Explorer. You can also click on the Downloads notification, then Show in Folder to reveal where your file downloaded. But that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.